What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda back with another video. And I don't know why I decided to record at night, but I believe because I sleep during the day, I do my best work at night. So yeah, most of my videos are going to be recorded at night, and I actually like the lighting that's in my bathroom with just the ring light. As y'all can see, because when I cut the light on, it looks too, I don't know, but I like it with the light off because y'all can see me more. But yeah, this video that I'm recording tonight is going to be me actually retwisting my hair after about 6 months, I'll say. I really hate the neat look, so yeah, I went most of last year with no retwist. I've completed styles last year with my hair not being retwisted, so that is possible for you to complete lock styles on top of no retwist hair. But since this is the beginning of the year, why not go ahead and retwist my hair now so I can enjoy the rest of the year with another no retwist. And I was thinking about doing the freeform thing, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to do that. But yeah, this video I want to go ahead and do the rope twist hairstyle on my locks. And this is actually my second time achieving the rope twist style. I've done it before when my locks were short and I didn't too much care for it, but now since I have like shorter length locks, I love that hairstyle on the people with the same length of locks as mine, so why not try to achieve that look? I'll be using a bag of stretchy rubber bands, of course my infamous bottle of oils and water, and since I ran out of what I usually use to retwist my hair with, I'm just going to stick with using the basic coconut oil to retwist my locks with. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and get ready to the video.
I've been searching for some good vibes in real life. I would try, but nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. I need. I've been searching for some good.
Oh, and I also forgot to mention that I usually spray rose water in my hair. So, oh, it smells so good. Whew.
Some good vibes in real life. I would try, but nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. I need some good vibes in real life. I would try, but nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. Now that day goes by where I'm happy. Used to be as a kid, but what happened? The good old days, Nintendos and Super Soaker, Saturday morning cartoons and Jawbreakers was a quarter. We was ballin' with a 5, rich with a 20. Friends is authentic, laughs we had plenty. It's bad that ended, sad we had to grow up. Now you throw a party and half won't even show up. Remember we was in a tree, K-I-S-S-I-N-G, but now I'm in a tree and I'm just rolling up a leaf, kissing the breeze, reminiscing about weed. Tears drip down my sleeve, but memories rarely leave. Sugar cane and warm summers, spicy pickles every time Uncle went up to play the numbers. Granny gave us samples just to calm the tummy rumblings. We run back outside, don't slam the door, you in trouble, ayy. I've been searching for some good vibes in real life. I would try, but nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. I need some good vibes in real life. I would try, but nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. Nowadays we drink away the pain and do drugs, but that's just one and the same. Like this tastes good like mom's lemon meringue. Back in the hood, we played outside in the rain. Might get my ass whipped, but it was worth it. It's still better getting my ass up and going to work, punching the clock while thinking about punching my boss. Was in a rush to get grown, but now I miss what I lost, like nap time. Man, I miss nap time. My crush by my best friend, I put my mat bomb. They say I'm too old for trick-or-treating, but free candy is still free. It don't matter the reason. I've been wearing a mask since I turned 18. Now you telling me I gotta grow out of Halloween? Can I get back my good vibes? My good vibes while I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I've been searching for some good vibes in real life I would try. But nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. I need some good vibes. In real life I would try. But nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. You never get your flowers while you can still smell them. So if your people being reckless, water, you gotta tell them. Can't yell free my man when they send him upstate. Don't wait till you at his wake for you to be awake. I'm just waiting till they make herb legal. Maybe then the police will stop hurting people. It ain't worth the evil. See, karma is real and she's a bad. It's some 6-foot heels, so I keep my peers close like I'm nearsighted. Cause we stand up here, our sonics booming like we Street Fighter. A green lighter for the green light up. And then I add a little twist like a screenwriter. A little Badu playing and then the candle lit. Whatever problems handed to me, I can handle it. Cause I'm a man, and yo, that's how a man. And I'm just trying to get my vibes legit. I've been searching for some good vibes in real life I would try. But nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. I need some good vibes. In real life I would try. But nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. So now. Shout out to Indigos. Twiz, what up? I've been searching for some good vibes in real life I would try. But nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. I need some good vibes. In real life I would try. But nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. Now that day goes by where I'm happy. Used to be as a kid, but what happened? The good old days, Nintendos and Super Soaker, Saturday morning cartoons and Jawbreakers was a quarter. We was ballin' with a 5, rich with a 20. Friends is authentic, laughs we had plenty. It's bad that ended, sad we had to grow up. Now you throw a party and half won't even show up. Remember we was in a tree, KISSING. But now I'm in a tree and I'm just rolling up a leaf, kissing the breeze, reminiscing about we. Tears drip down my sleeve, but memories rarely leave. Sugar cane and warm summers, spicy pickles every time Uncle went up to play them numbers. Granny gave us samples just to calm the tummy rumblings. We run back outside, don't slam the door, you in trouble, ayy. I've been searching for some good vibes in real life I would try. But nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. I need some good vibes. In real life I would try. But nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. Nowadays, we drink away the pain and do drugs, but that's just one and the same. Like, this tastes good like mom's lemon meringue. Back in the hood, we played outside in the rain. Might get my ass whipped, but it was worth it. It's still better getting my ass up and going to work, punching the clock while thinking about punching my boss. Was in a rush to get grown, but now I miss what I lost. Like nap time, man, I miss nap time. My crush by my best friend, I put my mat bomb. They say I'm too old for trick-or-treating, but free candy is still free. It don't matter the reason. I've been wearing a mask since I turned 18. Now you telling me I gotta grow out of Halloween? Can I get back my good vibes? My good vibes while I'm still alive? I'm still alive. I've been searching for some good vibes in real life I would try. But nothing certain in this life except you will die. So in the meantime, I need some good vibes. I need some good vibes in real.
As y'all can see, I'm getting tired. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so tired. But anyway, I completed majority of my head. I technically have 2 more rope twists to make. I think I'm just gonna let my hair dry overnight for the ones that I did put clips on. I'm just gonna let my hair dry overnight, and when I wake up in the morning, I'll take the clips out, spray it a little bit, and I'll show you all the end results. And this was not a talking tutorial video. I just wanted to go ahead and do my first lock tutorial for 2020, and I hope you all enjoyed my video. Again, this style is called the rope twist. There are different ways you can do the rope twist, but this is my way, Ronda B way. So yeah, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the AM. Good morning, or shall I say good afternoon, y'all. It's damn near 2 o'clock, and this is what I get for staying up late. But anywho, this is what I wrapped my hair up with yesterday. I had to just find a piece of cloth because I couldn't find my scarf. So don't judge me, judge your mama. And yeah, so I wrapped my hair up with this cloth. Whew. Yo, this is so uncomfortable sleeping with these clips in my head. And this is what I use to spray my hair with. I showed this before in one of my videos. And look, I don't have that much left, so I need to re-up on this. But yeah, I'm just spraying my scalp. Yo, I love this stuff. And all I do is remove my clips. And the purpose of me putting the clips in is, as you all can see from last night, I was retwisting my hair as I was doing the rope twist. And some of the rope twists did stay in place, and some of them wanted to unravel and flip the other way. So these are helpful while doing this yourself. Again, there are different methods of doing the rope twist. So if you feel like I am doing it the wrong way, then how about you do it the right way? But again, I put disclaimers in most of my hair videos. I'm not a hairstylist or a loctician yet. I just threw something out there for y'all to catch on to, but yeah, I'm still learning, you know, proper ways to do things. But anyway, this is how I'm doing it now. So y'all, I'm just taking the clips out. Ow. And I think, let me see. And I think they're all out. Make sure. Oh, y'all, but one thing I can say, my hair does feel a lot lighter. Probably because I barely have any locks hanging over my head as we speak. So, this is the end result. Oh, y'all, and please excuse my face. I fell asleep with my lashes on. I had to just get myself together, but this is the end look. I like them, y'all. I finally got length on my hair to have these in my head. When I did these before, y'all, my locks were like extremely short and I felt bald-headed, so I didn't too much care for it. But y'all, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So anyway, just make sure y'all give me a thumbs up for this video. And anybody have any tips regarding what I could have done different, always leave it down below. I'm always up for receiving comments and tips. Otherwise than that, I just want to thank you all for watching my video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace.
I would try, but nothing's certain in this life except you will die. So